Welcome back to the studio, everyone, for a comprehensive look back at what was a truly emphatic performance from the Indian team. A performance that was, in all honesty, over before it even began for the United Arab Emirates. This was a statement victory for the defending champions, and what a statement it was. The bowling brilliance. We've heard so much about India's power-packed batting lineup, but today it was the bowlers who stole the show and set the tone for this sensational win. Jasprit Bumrah, even though he's just returning, showed flashes of his brilliance, getting that crucial early breakthrough. But the undisputed player of the match was the wrist spin wizard, Kuldeep Yadav. He was simply unplayable. The way he bamboozled the UAE batsmen with his googlies and flight was a thing of beauty. He broke the back of their innings with a sensational spell, finishing with figures of 4 for 7. It was an absolute masterclass. And let's not forget about the all-rounder Shivam Dube. He's in the side for his power hitting, but today he showed a different dimension of his game, bowling with great control and picking up a career-best 3 for 4. He and Kuldeep just ran through the tail. The UAE completely capitulated, losing 8 wickets for just 16 runs. A sensational collapse that saw them bowled out for a mere 57 runs, the lowest T20 total against India. This was a clinical bowling performance. The blistering chase. With a small target to chase, you might have expected India to take their time, but that's not the nature of this team. They came out with one thing in mind: complete and utter destruction. It was a highlight reel in real time. Abhishek Sharma, opening the batting, started with a towering 6 and never looked back. He smashed boundaries with disdain, scoring a blistering 30 off just 16 balls. He was ably supported by his partner Shubman Gill, who returned to the team with his characteristic elegance, finishing unbeaten on 20. And just to put the icing on the cake, Captain Suryakumar Yadav came in and finished it off with a trademark 6. India chased down the target in just 4.3 overs, their fastest ever chase in T20 cricket. This was more than just a win, it was a complete demolition job. India have not just won, they've sent a clear message to every other team in the tournament. They are here to defend their title. What a performance, and what a way to start their campaign.